Hi there, it's Pascal here, and in this video we're going to be talking about investing in yourself and why that is important if you're going to start a business online. Now, don't get me wrong, I have been a victim of that. I have never really invested in myself since I started my online business. No, not since, before I started my online business. It's since I started my online business I understood the importance of investing in yourself. Now, there's a quote that goes, if what you know, the study you do during school is what you know, or after school is what you know what every other person knows. It's the study you do after school that counts. That's just more like, it's the study, is the investment you do in yourself after school that gives you the edge over every other person that went to school. And this is where most literate people struggle, because once they graduate from school they believe it's done. They don't need to study anymore. They just need to carry their CV and go and start looking for work, and they realize they get the job, they are working and they are not fulfilled. And it's those ones that still carry on investing in themselves after school. Those are the ones that have the edge in life. And if you're going to start a business online, it's very important that you start investing in yourself. And there are different ways to invest in yourself. I normally say is, one way is reading audiobooks. They are very vital. I do read loads of audiobooks, at least 2-3 books on daily basis. In fact, I read them over and over and over again. I read one particular one over and over again because I found out that if you read a book twice, you see something in yourself that wasn't there before. And that's where I normally get most of the secrets. And the other way is going to seminars. These are forms of, it's more of an experiential investment, because sometimes you might be working on the business yourself at home, and if you've not really had the experience of what it feels like to if you've not really had the experience of what it feels like to actually make money online or be in the presence of the people that have done it, you will not be taking actions that leads to a belief of somebody that is making money online. And this is as a result of the experience you get from being an event. It's very crucial, and I would recommend you to attend events, even if no matter where it is. And another thing is, if you're starting a business online and you're in the initial phase of you're spending money and you've not started making income, I would like you to look at all the money, all the time that you put in, as you're putting in a deposit into a bank for future withdrawal. Because understand this, this is where you will understand the importance of you bringing out some funds and putting into your own development, personal development, which is very critical in terms of building a business. Because if you cannot value yourself to buy a book and read, then how do you expect somebody to value your product? Because if you look at all the great leaders, they've all written books, they invested in themselves. So if you're gonna be great, you have to do what they've done. Like for me now, I am on the stage now, I'm looking at writing books of my journey, documenting my journey, what it looks like, so that people that are coming up after me or looking to can actually read my story. And this is something I've learned that every business person does. They write books, and there's nothing. It's kind of an experience, because I can't be where I am now if someone has not written a book and documented it. So we all have an obligation in life to document our journey so that people that come after us will learn from our mistakes and avoid the same mistake we've made. Because if we keep going in life without any records, there won't be any development in our community. So that's why it's important for us to invest in ourselves, and I recommend you do that. I don't know, because when we are usually starting businesses online, our first thoughts are usually geared towards give me the training, I just want the money, you know that feeling. How long is it going to take before I make my first sale? How long is it? You know, these questions. You're not really thinking long term. You're not really taking it as a business. So when you get into this level of consciousness where you understand that you're getting into something that is bigger than you, you will take the time to make it worthwhile, and you have to understand how to enjoy the journey every step of the way. Be present. And this comes from understanding what the end goal is. The end goal is not usually money, it's usually to impact lives. And that's what I'm beginning to experience, because there are a lot of families that are reaching out to me now that I've been in contact with for over a year now. It's incredible that if I had not invested in myself, I wouldn't have been receiving all this like love and warm feeling from them. To me now, it's not really. I know when I was starting, I'm like, I just need money. But that was how I was talking to myself. But now money is not everything. I know we hear money is important. Don't get me wrong, it's important. But that should not. Let me use Stewart. Stewart is very brilliant in this. He said money is a byproduct of the value you offer to the market. So if rather than going after money, when you invest in yourself, you're being of value in the marketplace. You're raising your price tag. That anything that you're, because you're a brand. Don't forget that you are a brand. So if you cannot invest in yourself, that means the brand will die. So it's constant. You have to constantly understand that the importance of growing your brand. And everybody is unique. I can't sell what you can sell. You can't sell what I can sell. So I want you to see that when you're starting out, all the challenges that you're going through, all everything that you'll be experiencing in the beginning, see that as an investment. A deposit into a bank for a future withdrawal. This will give you the inspiration to keep going on, because you know you're in the right space and you're doing the right thing for the right purpose. Because there will be a point that you become priceless. You're even priceless the way you are now, but you don't know. You just need to develop yourself by investing in yourself. Go to seminars, read books, listen to audiobooks, surround yourself around people who are successful. These are all forms of investment. Speak positive things. Don't allow anything negative to. This comes from education, and we don't learn this type of thing in school. So these are the things that you learn outside school, maybe when you invest in yourself. And if you're in employment like medicine or any of these courses, sales course or anything, you will notice from time to time your companies will send you a refresher or a training just to go maybe for 2 days, 1 day, for a few hours. It doesn't matter. The companies understand how the mind works. They understand it has to be updated all the time. Your software, your computer, every time is updated. So when you're investing in yourself every day, you just keep updating your mind constantly. And once you keep updating it, guess what? You stay. Keep sharp in the marketplace. You stay sharp. And no matter what is happening, you're always on point. That's why you see successful people, when you see them, they make decisions very fast. It's like, how is this guy? Everything he touches turned to gold. everything he touches works. No, it's because he keeps investing in himself. He keeps sharp in the marketplace. That's the importance, guys. I wish you all the best, man. And if you like what I'm sharing, and please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to join my webinar, I'll leave links in the bottom of the description, and I will explain how to get in there. Apart from that, it's another video from Pascal. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.